was gonna be
Rosie, look this way. Rosie.
Can you hold her?
Rosie.
Oh, it's coming off. She's licked it already.
It's like I can smell it. Where is it?
So I put it up there. I would just tickle me. She's like, "Okay, do you want more?"
She's like, can I just leave it on there?
Ginger's got it. Ginger, you want more?
Sam doesn't do that.
Do you do this to your dogs?
I've never done it.
Do you
I
want
do
to
it to Sam all the time. Uh-oh.
I've done it to Max. Why doesn't it stick anymore?
She looks so impressed with you.
What's she gonna do? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh no, don't let it
No! You guys are so mean to my dogs. Rosie, what is going
Ginger got
on?
it all off.
Is there peanut butter on your nose? Ginger's got a long tongue. I wonder how long it'll take Rosie to get it off. Ginger will probably lick it off.
Oh, shit. Did you see what she just did? She put it on my finger and licked it off my finger. There, too. Ginger's got my spoon. Done. Is that good, babies? You still got a bit on your nose.
This is a terrible idea. What's wrong?
No, it looks like it was my idea.
You got
How did you come
this
up with
on your
this?
nose, baby? Why is there peanut butter on my nose? How
She's
is
trying to
that?
lick it off her tongue, I think. 'Cause it's still, like, you know how peanut butter stick? Like, you have to, like, drink milk or whatever after? You still got some on your nose. Excuse me.
I can smell it. I don't know where it's coming from.
They're both like...
That's why you put it on someone's foot. Except mine. Don't do it to me.
I don't have any more.
No feet.
You guys really like this stuff. Hope you don't puke after. Rosie, you almost got it. Yeah, why don't you guys look right here? Oh, what are you doing? Okay, no, Rosie. Can we help
Where
her
is
out,
it
Rosie?
coming from? I can smell it.
Can we help her out?
No.
Oh, don't bite the spoon. It's not food. silly.
No. Don't even think.
Go to the wall. Be smart like my dad's dog. No, not happening. Are you still videotaping?
Yeah.
Okay, get it. Here. Okay, there's still more, buddy.